So are you on your way to Sheraton PGA Vacation Resort? Maybe you want to see what a villa looks like? Well, we're going to head in and take a look at our one-bedroom premium villa right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we get started, heading in here into our one-bedroom premium villa at Sheraton PGA Vacation Resort here in Port St Lucie, Florida, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that's the kind of stuff you want to see, be sure to hit subscribe down below. Also, click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's get going. We're going to head inside here and take a look at our one-bedroom premium villa, full kitchen, and see what you think. We are in Villa 3102 here in Building 3 on the first floor. As I make my way into the villa here, the first thing we're going to come across inside is just a small closet. Not really enough room in here for much of anything, and actually this closet is completely empty. They do also have some nice golf theming in here, just this nice little statue, kind of in line with the resort. It is located next to a big golf course. Next up, we'll take a look at the in-room laundry. Just a stacking washer and dryer here. You're also going to find a broom as well as your iron and ironing board. Now we're going to make our way around to the kitchen. Not too bad of a kitchen here, not real big, but not too small either. It obviously hasn't been recently renovated. You won't find any granite countertops in this villa, but you do have your full set of appliances, large refrigerator with an ice maker. You also have a range and oven, as well as a microwave oven, and a number of small appliances in here as well. Behind the cabinet doors and in the drawers, you're going to find a full set of glassware and dinnerware for 4 people, as well as a set of silverware there as well. In the cabinets down below is where you're going to find your blender, toaster, can opener. There's even a colander there, and you're also going to find a full set of pots and pans. Now, as we make our way into the dining room here, that actually seats 6 people, and you may be wondering, why does a dining room seat 6 people when this room only holds 4? Well, it's actually because this is the one-bedroom premium side of the 2-bedroom lock-off villa. So there is also a one-bedroom deluxe on the other side through a lock-off door. So that's why this table seats 6. Now, something else I also want to point out here, a little bit disturbing, was when we were in our villa, we kept finding these pretty big bugs crawling along the tile and on the carpet. They were kind of hard to see on the carpet, so we had to kind of watch out. I don't know what they were. Maybe somebody knows what they were, but it wasn't very pleasant having these in our villa. Now we're going to take a look at the living room. Pretty comfortable living room here. You do have a coffee table with 2 chairs, as well as a pretty large and comfortable sofa bed there. So that does pull out into a queen size sofa bed. You do have some nice artwork on the wall, a couple of lamps on the side table, and of course, any timeshare living room is going to have a TV stand with a large flat screen television, Blu-ray player, and a Bose sound system here. Now making our way into the bedroom here. It is actually a pretty decent sized bedroom. A king size bed, a couple of nightstands, lamps, a chair over there in the corner as well. This is actually pretty nice here for a bedroom. You do also have a chest of drawers there with a large flat screen television as well. And inside the bedroom here, you're also going to find a fairly small closet. It just contains the in-room safe, as well as some hangers for storing away some clothes. I guess there's also a luggage rack down below. Immediately adjacent to the bedroom, you're going to find a large jetted tub, as well as a single vanity across from that. So just kind of an area here, you can get in, you can take a bath, or there's also an area just adjacent to that where somebody can get ready. There's actually a handy stool there as well to sit on while perhaps you're getting ready. Maybe you're going to dry your hair. Maybe somebody needs to put some makeup on as well. Next up, we're going to head into kind of the main bathroom area. This bathroom is actually kind of broken up into 3 sections. We had the tub with vanity. Then we're going to move into another area here that just has another single vanity. You have your sink, a nice large mirror there as well. Immediately next to that is a separate room where you'll find the toilet and a large walk-in shower. Now I do want to point out one other thing in where that vanity was. There was kind of in between where the tub area was and where the shower area was. There is also this small kind of linen closet. I'm not really sure what you'd use this for. You really don't have towels. They have towels in the room. They're all hanging. They didn't have any in this closet here at all. All right, next up, we're going to head back out through the bedroom and we're going to head out to the patio. There's actually an exit to the patio from both the bedroom and the living room. We're heading out through the bedroom here. Kind of a handy little set of blinds here I noticed on my way out. They're enclosed within the glass. Kind of keeps them from getting broken and tore up all the time. Keeps them clean, hence they're super easy to use. But now that we're out here on the patio, it is fully screened in and you do have 4 chairs and a table out here. There unfortunately is no ceiling fan overhead. Something that this villa was pretty much lacking throughout. But there is an electrical outlet out here. I know a lot of people like to know about that. So are you considering a trip here? Maybe you have a stay booked? I'm actually quite interested to know. I haven't heard of too many people visiting this property here in Port St Lucie, Florida. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps tell YouTube to push them to more people who may be interested in coming to this area. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Sheraton PGA Vacation Resort, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they're pretty sure you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.